everyone. At MommyCon, we're going to be showing you some of our favorite carriers. This is the Boppy ComfyFit. This is a really great option for those that are just getting into baby wearing. It starts from 0. That means you can use it right away from birth, 8 to 35 pounds. We really love it for those newborn squishy baby phase as it's super comfy and it's going to remind you of your favorite pair of yoga pants. So it comes out of the package just like this. And the carrier is a blend between a buckle carrier and a wrap, and it has the qualities of a wrap with the easeability of a buckle carrier. So it has this little pouch that we're just going to set aside. It can be worn with baby facing inwards towards you, and then past 6 months you can face baby out. This is the carrier. It is all one piece. It has these nice long stretchy ties that we're going to show you how to use, and you're going to see how baby goes on. So first off, you're going to place the carrier just at your waist. You don't want the carrier on your hips. That's going to be baby sitting too low. When you put the carrier on, you're going to place it at your waist. You're going to come around and back, and you're going to buckle. You will need to tighten the carrier so that it fits you nice and snug, just like so. Then you will grab your baby. So always baby should be either in their crib when you're picking them up or on a surface where they couldn't roll away. This is a doll, so we don't need to necessarily be as safe with him. So baby's gonna go on you. This baby doll is about the equivalent of like a 5-month-old baby, but you would just notice the difference of your baby versus a doll is they're going to be much smaller, they're going to be squishy, and they're going to want to be right up against you. So you place baby on your body like so, and the waistband forms a seat for the baby. You're going to use one of your hands and bring the carrier up and over baby. This is what makes this carrier unique. And when I mentioned that it's going to feel like yoga pants, this material is nice and stretchy. You're going to place this over one shoulder like so, and then go to the other side and do the exact same thing, just like so. Now baby is on you. You will reach and back, and you're going to pull down to tighten and form an X. You can tie the carrier on the side or in front of you. I'm going to do on the side, like so. Just 1 and 2. You're going to just make sure that you're feeling nice and cozy by adjusting the straps. This piece here is the neck support, and it can snap down like so. And then baby is in a really nice, close enough to kiss position. Baby's knees are going to be nicely supported by the carrier in an M position, so you don't want their legs dangling down. And you're going to pull this fabric over to just hold them nice and snug into you. So as you get used to wearing, you're going to be able to put this carrier on in less than 30 seconds. It's very easy to use. Again, I'm going to say yoga pants because it is made out of a really nice stretchy athletic material. It's going to be breathable for you and baby, and it's very easy and comfortable to use. This is the Boppy ComfyFit carrier. It's suitable from birth to 35 pounds. And here we go. In our next video, we're going to show you how to do an outward facing position. Now we're going to show you a forward facing outward position in the Boppy ComfyFit carrier. Just like in the forward facing in position, you're going to place the carrier on your waist, just like so. You are then going to make sure that your carrier is just falling just like this, and you're going to grab your baby. They should have really good head and neck control before attempting a position like this. This is when your baby is very curious about the world and might not be 100% okay facing you anymore. So this would be a good position to try, but we want to make sure that you're aware that babies can get overwhelmed easily and you want to read your baby's cues. So you're first going to put baby up against you, and you're just going to reach down and grab the carrier. Just like you did in the last position, you're going to place the straps over your shoulders. Just like so. I like to adjust my baby into the carrier so that way I know that they have a nice little seat and the fabric just molds around them. Baby's head should absolutely clear this panel. If baby is tucked in like so, the baby is not big enough or ready to sit in this carrier for the forward facing out position. You're gonna go around and back, and you're gonna pull down to tighten, just like so. And then I'm gonna just tie on the side. You're almost ready to go. Baby's arms will want to be freely available to them, right? And then you're just going to pull the fabric up, over, just like so. And just like that, you're ready to go. This is the forward facing out position that you'll want to start trying at about 6 months old. Baby's head and neck control are excellent before attempting this position, and make sure baby's head clearly passes the top of the carrier.